you're spending money on pest control that birds would do for free. Most people think of bird feeding as a hobby. It's actually pest control. Get 3 things right: food, water, and shelter, and you'll have birds patrolling your yard all season instead of bugs eating your plants. Start with the feeder. Put it somewhere you can see from the house, and somewhere you can refill easily, even in bad weather. Keep it at least 8 feet from walls, railings, or anything a squirrel can launch off of. Think about what's underneath too. Seed hulls pile up fast, and sunflower hull residue actually kills grass, so put feeders over pavement, or a deck if you can. Water matters more than most people realize. Birds pick up the sound of dripping water from a distance, so a bird bath with a dripper attached does 2 things. It keeps the bath full, and it pulls birds in from farther away. Any shallow container 14 to 20 inches across works: a terracotta saucer, a pie plate, even a trash can lid. Food and water get birds to visit. Shelter gets them to stay and raise their young there, and that's the part that actually controls pests, since both parents spend all day catching insects to feed their babies. Trees, shrubs, and nesting boxes all count as shelter. 12 species do most of this work: cardinals, robins, catbirds, sparrows, chickadees, starlings, finches, titmice, mockingbirds, and woodpeckers among them. They're common almost everywhere in the country, and every one of them treats your yard's pest insects as food. Get the food, water, and shelter right, and songbirds will do a huge chunk of your pest control for you, all season, for free. Full guide at Yardener.com.